Good morning and welcome back to the vlog. Today we are going to our 21st country of New Zealand. Last night we spent some time here in Brisbane, so if you're interested in that video, go ahead and watch that. We only had 22 hours here, so we didn't get up to much. We were able to do at least two things that helped us see the city. We will see you at the airport. Do you want me to fill your water bottle? Welcome to the Qantas Lounge in Brisbane. All right, so we only have about 20 minutes here. So we're gonna spend the time here in the Qantas Lounge, and then we're going to head to board to our plane. Passport control was really quick, but the security before passport control took almost an hour. So if you are flying out of Brisbane Airport, definitely come 2 hours early, because if you don't, there's a very good chance that you might miss your flight, especially if you're flying internationally. Alrighty, Kayla submitted all of her paperwork for New Zealand.
It's a lot.
It's a lot,
Yeah.
but I think we're good to go. Yeah, just so you're aware, you have to fill out two forms. You fill out first, especially if you're coming from the US, ETSA, which essentially allows you to come into the country, and then within 24 hours of your flight, you also have to fill out a form of a declaration. And you can do it all online, so you don't have to wait until you get there, which is really nice, because in Australia, I think we had to use paper forms, but in New Zealand, we can use digital forms, which makes it a lot easier. Oh, and if anybody's curious as to how we got access to the Qantas Lounge, it's actually through our American Airlines status. I think once you reach Platinum status, you automatically get access and one guest to Qantas Lounges. So, airline status does actually have some value outside of the United States, whereas sometimes inside of the United States with domestic flights, it can be very hard to get good value out of it. We have another 4 miles to walk.
Yeah. It was like a mile and a half to walk like 6 gates. It was a long trek.
I think it's because all of these gates are designed to handle the very large international jets, even if they're not always full of very large international jets. That's things like the A380, A350, 777, things like that. Very large jets that needs a lot of space between them.
Let's go sit in the back of the plane.
You give her one business class flight, and now every flight we have to sit in the front.
Yes. Yes.
It's ridiculous. She's spoiled. What a challenge. But we are now officially off to our 21st country together. To New Zealand. So I'm really excited about that. New Zealand should be pretty fun. We've been told that it might be snowing over the next few days. So
That should be fun.
that's going to be a challenge for us for sure.
Ben is once again driving on the wrong side of the road. The left side of the road. Kind of like
to the right side of the road.
Yeah.
Must be the wrong side of the road.
Kind of like we're back in Scotland. But I'm very glad I have him because it would take me a lot longer than it takes him to switch over. Got the keys.
Got the keys.
Oh, goes in. Nice. Smells nice. TV already on? Nice. Laundry. Kitchenette. Nice. Towel warmers. Ooh, got some nice robes too. Nice. Is this a loaf of fresh bread? No wonder it smelled so good in here, Ben. There's a loaf of fresh bread.
Oh wow. It smells amazing.
It does smell really good. I was like, it smells really good.
Gosh.
Got some ramen and granola.
Man, they've really set us up.
So we can use all that?
Yeah.
Oh, we got some cookies and some chocolate. Wow. How sweet. So all of this food that they gave us is included in our stay. And they said that they are going to replenish your breakfast items every day. So that's kind of cool. It's like a apartment, but with hotel amenities.
This building was there watching the city change around it.
They've even got a chocolate fountain.
They do?
Got amazing views. Holy moly.
Wow. I need to go. Oh. So we've got like a shared area down here. It's like a sitting area, and I don't know if you can see, but there's a big table in case you want to have like dinner together. Obviously it's winter right now, so maybe not. But look at those views. That's insane.
Alrighty, the laundry is started and it's going to take 4 hours and 52 minutes. I think it'll be done just before I go to bed. Alright, we have officially arrived to our 21st country of New Zealand. We are about to go out to dinner and walk around on the town, but we're going to switch to the FX3 for that. Ready? And alright, off we go. Not gonna lie, those are some of the biggest pine cones I've ever seen. See those birds? Look at these views.
It doesn't you? To the forest.
Through the forest.
We're down here at the wharf in Queenstown, the steamer wharf, I think it's called. We're gonna try to find some dinner. This is a hop-in place. They have some like stands and stuff for food and all that. It's a really cool place, honestly, and I kind of want to try all of it. So we'll find something for dinner.
They do have a bunch of options for like street food, so if you just want something really quick, but they also have a lot of sit-down options that are available in case you're curious. Also, I'm not sure if the camera is really like doing a good job at recreating this, but the water here is unbelievably clear. Do you want to go pet the creepy? Go pat on the back of the head or something.
So I got roasted pork belly over like a rosemary stew, and then got the surf and turf with steak and prawns, and then we got a side of fries.
Alrighty, bills paid. That's pretty good. We also found one of Kayla's icks during that dinner.
I got a new jacket. Been wanting one of these long ones for a long time. It's like every single year I talk about it. And so we found one that was 40% off. So we went ahead and bought it. It's very warm. So downtown, Queenstown, very, very cool. Lots of shops, lots of restaurants. Highly recommend walking around there, exploring. We had dinner. It was really, really good. It was cold,
It was a little expensive.
a little expensive.
But it's our one nice dinner that
Yeah.
we try to do in each country that we go to. We try to do at least one nice dinner.
Yeah. So good first day in Queenstown, even though it was only like a half day, a third day. So anything else?
No, hopefully you enjoyed this travel day. We'll definitely have some more things planned for tomorrow. We need to sit down tonight and finish our laundry and do some admin work.
Yeah.
And then see what we can book for tomorrow. So
Gonna be snowing tomorrow, I think. So we'll have to take that into account.
yeah, that's definitely a little bit more limiting. I don't know how far I want to go with the car if it's going to snow. I don't think that it's all-wheel drive, so it's probably not a good idea for us to go too far away from the city.
Yeah.
Because we were also warned by one of the tour operators that there's potential for even the tour buses to get shut down tomorrow. So it might make things a little bit more difficult. But we have about 2 days of snow coming, so hopefully you all enjoy snowy views. Maybe we can walk over to the cable cars and take the cable cars up.
That would be great. Yeah. But we will see you next week. We hope you enjoyed this content. Please like and subscribe to follow along. And yeah, see you next week. Thanks.
Thanks.